What secrets does the moon hold? Our lunar companion, a silvery sphere suspended in the vast expanse of the cosmos, has been a source of fascination and mystery for as long as we humans have been capable of looking up. From early civilizations to the present day, the moon has been a central character in our collective story. In ancient times, it was seen as a deity, a celestial being with powers and influence over our lives. From the Greeks, who saw in it the face of Selene, the goddess of moonlight, to the Chinese, who believed it was the abode of a moon rabbit, moon mythologies have been as varied as the cultures that conceived them. In the Middle Ages, the moon was thought to be a perfect, unblemished sphere, a reflection of the heavens' divine perfection. The moon was more than a celestial body. It was an enigma, a mirror reflecting our deepest hopes and fears. Over time, as our understanding of the universe expanded, so too did our view of the moon. Astronomers of the Renaissance, peering through their primitive telescopes, began to see it not as a perfect sphere, but a world with mountains, valleys, and vast plains. The moon, once thought to be divine and untouchable, became a place, a destination. In the 20th century, our fascination with the moon took a giant leap forward, literally. The Apollo missions, a testament to human ingenuity and courage, brought back the first close-up images of the lunar surface, revealing a barren, alien world that was at once familiar and utterly foreign. Yet, even as we've walked on its surface and studied it with our most sophisticated tools, the moon has retained its sense of mystery. It remains a source of inspiration and wonder, a silent muse guiding poets and dreamers, scientists and explorers. As we look up at the night sky, we are only beginning to unravel the moon's enigma. From ancient times to the present day, the moon has captivated us. Our fascination with the moon is as old as humanity itself. In the earliest ages, our ancestors looked up at the night sky, mesmerized by the silvery orb that lit up the darkness. They imbued it with mystical powers, crafting tales and myths around it, making it a deity in their cosmologies. The moon was seen as a goddess, a god, a celestial chariot, and even a nocturnal sun. But as the wheel of time turned, so did our understanding of the moon. The Greek philosopher Anaxagoras, in the 5th century before the Common Era, was among the first to assert that the moon was not a god, but a rocky body reflecting the light of the sun. This theory, revolutionary at the time, marked a significant shift in our relationship with the moon. Fast forward to the 17th century, when Galileo Galilei pointed his rudimentary telescope towards the night sky. His observations revealed that the moon was not a smooth, perfect sphere as previously thought, but a world with mountains, valleys, and craters. This revelation further demystified the moon, taking it from the realm of the divine to that of the physical world. As we moved into the 20th century, our knowledge of the moon took a giant leap, quite literally, with the Apollo missions. For the first time, human beings set foot on another world. We collected lunar rocks, studied its surface, and confirmed theories about its formation and composition. The moon, once a distant and mysterious entity, became familiar, a next-door neighbor in the vast cosmos. From ancient myths to scientific discoveries, our understanding of the moon has evolved dramatically. Each breakthrough, each discovery, has reshaped our perspective, transforming the moon from a divine entity to a celestial body, a satellite of our Earth, a world of its own. These historical revelations have paved the way for our current understanding of the moon. Our perceptions of the moon have been transformed by the images we've captured. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always held a sense of mystery and allure. And with each new image, we peel back another layer of its enigma. let's take a step back in time to the year 1840, when the first photograph of the moon was taken. This blurry daguerreotype, captured by John William Draper, was a mere hint of the moon's complexity. Yet, it marked the dawn of a new era, where the moon was no longer just a glowing orb in the night sky, but a tangible entity that could be studied and understood. As technology advanced, so did our ability to capture the moon's essence. In 1966, the Lunar Orbiter 1 sent back the first detailed images of the moon's surface. These images revealed an alien landscape of craters and mountains, a stark contrast to the smooth, glowing sphere we had imagined. This was our first real glimpse into the moon's geology, and it sparked a sense of curiosity that continues to this day. Then came the iconic Earthrise image, captured by the crew of Apollo 8 in 1968. It showed our blue planet rising over the lunar horizon, a powerful reminder of our place in the cosmos. This image not only changed our view of the moon, but also how we saw ourselves as part of a vast and incredible universe. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we're now able to capture images of the moon in unprecedented detail. Satellites like the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter are providing us with high-resolution images that reveal the moon's topography, mineral composition, and even signs of water ice. These images are reshaping our understanding of the moon, revealing it as a dynamic world with its own history and potential for future exploration. These images have not only changed our view of the moon, but also of our place in the universe. They've made us realize that we're not just inhabitants of Earth, but citizens of a vast cosmos, always exploring, always discovering, and always pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. The moon's influence extends beyond its visual appeal. At first glance, it's a celestial body that decorates our night sky, but the moon has a profound impact on Earth. It's a silent orchestrator, conducting a symphony of natural phenomena. First, let's consider the tides. The moon's gravitational pull causes the oceans to bulge out towards it and away from it, creating 2 high tides each day. This ebb and flow of the sea are as rhythmic and dependable as the moon's own orbit. It's a dance between the Earth and the moon that has been going on for billions of years. But the moon's influence doesn't stop at the Earth's waters. It also plays a crucial role in solar and lunar eclipses. During a solar eclipse, the moon passes between the sun and the Earth, casting a shadow on our planet. In a lunar eclipse, the Earth comes between the sun and the moon, causing the moon to appear a dramatic red. These events, though rare, are a reminder of the moon's constant presence and its interplay with the Earth and the sun. And then, there are the theories about the moon's effect on human behavior. While not scientifically proven, some believe that the full moon can bring about changes in mood and behavior. It's a topic that's inspired countless myths, folklore, and even horror stories, fueling our fascination with this celestial body. But regardless of whether these theories hold water, one thing is certain. The moon, in its silent vigil, has a profound effect on our planet. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of the universe, a reminder that we are all part of a larger cosmic dance. The moon's influence, then, extends far beyond its visual appeal. It shapes our world and perhaps even ourselves in ways we may not fully understand. It's a silent partner to our Earth, a celestial companion that has been with us since the dawn of our time. The moon's influence on our planet is profound and far-reaching. As we look to the future, the moon continues to beckon us. The allure of the moon is as old as humanity itself, and yet it still holds untold secrets waiting to be discovered. As we move forward, our ambitions stretch beyond merely observing this celestial body. We aim to understand it, to walk on its surface again, and perhaps even to use it as a stepping stone to the stars. The next decade of moon exploration is set to be one of the most exciting yet. With numerous space agencies around the world, like NASA, ESA, and even private companies like SpaceX, planning to send both robotic and manned missions to the Moon, we are on the brink of a new era of lunar exploration. These missions aim to delve deeper into the Moon's mysteries. We hope to learn more about its geological history, to understand the complex processes that have shaped its surface over billions of years. This knowledge could potentially shed light on the origins of our own planet, and indeed, the whole solar system. Perhaps most tantalizing of all is the prospect of finding water ice in the permanently shadowed regions of the Moon's poles. This could not only provide a vital resource for future astronauts, but could also potentially hold clues about the history of water in our solar system. The Moon may also serve as a testing ground for new technologies and strategies for living off Earth. It's a place where we can experiment with building habitats, utilizing local resources, and developing new techniques for long-duration space travel. These lessons will be crucial as we set our sights on more distant destinations like Mars. But the Moon is not just a scientific curiosity or a stepping stone to other worlds. It's a place that has captured our collective imagination, a place that has inspired poets and scientists alike for centuries. As we prepare to return, we are not just exploring a distant celestial body, but also the depths of our own curiosity and ambition. As we continue to explore, who knows what secrets the Moon might still reveal? The journey is only just beginning.